Hey everyone, welcome to the first week of WebStream lectures. I'm Dr. Tom Dixon, and in this set of videos, we're going to go over terminology, kinematics, and graphs. Now, you might or might not understand what any of those terms mean, but that's okay. Throughout the course of these videos that you are ideally going to watch over the course of a week, but who am I to tell you how to consume your content? You're going to understand exactly what terms physicists use to describe the world around us. This lesson and this week is primarily about getting to grips with the language, vernacular, and graphical techniques of physicists. So you might ask, where's all the physics this week? And yes, this week is fairly light on what you would call traditional physics. But I promise you it's a necessary diversion, especially at the start, to make sure that we're all on the same playing field. Now, speaking of playing field, some of you are going to see various parts of these videos and think, I know how to do that. And if you think that, just do the quiz underneath the video, and if you get it right, turns out you did know how to do it. Move on. The purpose of these web streams is you can take them at any pace you like. If I talk too fast, you can have them play at 0.5 speed. If, for some mind-boggling reason, I talk too slowly for you, you can speed them up. If you want to catch all my dabs, you can pause them and do a little dab counter. I'm looking forward to that in the forums. And also just, if you want to rewatch or go back and do other stuff, right? This is for you. If you like consuming content from the comfort of your Herman Miller Aeron gamer chair, then this video series is for you. I'm hoping that I'll have done like some cool, weird intro if I had the time. So maybe I'll play it here. Woo, who knows? But maybe not. Yeah, so that's me rambling. Now the first thing in this video, you might notice there's no quiz under this video, or if I did my job right, there's no quiz under this video, because this is just the hello video. There's a hello for every week. And in this week, right now, we're going to talk about week 1. So this is a little slide you can see on this screen. I mean, I can't see, but you will. That I kind of list all the topics we're going through, right? And if you are particularly astute, you'll notice that these are the same topics that are in the lecture learning outcomes, because that's how I've structured these videos. I also wrote sort of the lecture learning outcomes. So it's a big ball of Tom deciding how things go. And if you don't like it, tough, because I'm doing the in-person lectures too. So there's a textbook. You can read the textbook. This week, we're going to be learning various resources, and by resources I mean tools, that physicists use to describe and analyze the world around them. This course specifically does not involve calculus, which is arguably the most powerful tool physicists have developed to describe the world around them, but it's annoying and complicated, and you can get pretty far without it. So we're going to do that. We're not going to do any calculus. And calculus means things like derivatives and integrals, right? If you don't know what that means, well, a derivative is like dx of x cubed equals x squared, well, 3x squared, right? If that made any sense to you, cool. It's not going to be used. If that made no sense to you, don't worry. We're not going to touch it. Now, this does mean that throughout the course of the term, there's going to be a lot of physics that was derived or first understood using calculus, and we're not going to cover all of that, right? Not every single bit and piece is going to be derivable using the maths that you know, but that's fine, because you're here just to be able to do physics, not to derive physics. And as I will tell you, those are two very different things. So I hope you enjoy this set of videos. I hope you enjoy this first week. If you have any questions, I'm in the past. I don't know what you're going to do, but I'm sure I still exist in the future. And if I do exist in the future, you can contact me. My email address will be somewhere. It might have changed. Who knows? Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and click on the next page button, wherever it is, to unlock the next video where I actually teach you some stuff.